Hey there folks, today we have the GeoPro unit by Rockwood, and we will start right here with your LP disconnect. To connect your hose up to this, you simply just push this in and then push your insert right in there, just like an air compressor hose. And then once you are connected, you will simply pull this valve till it is pointing towards you and the gas will fill the line and you should have LP from there. Here are your furnace vents. You do not want these blocked. I recommend buying some covers for them to keep out the bugs so that you don't get any blockages in there, because if you do, that is not good. Here you have your compartment space with your 110 volt adapter right here and your sewer hose. And then you have your outdoor grill right here that you can hook up to that LP disconnect valve over there to do some outside grilling if you so desired. You have your dual tank propane system right here that you can, this regulator here will tell you which tank you are drawing off of with this little arrow right here. You simply just twist it to open it, and if you are on the right tank or not, this will turn green. You have your jack right here with your on-off switch here for your light on the outside, and then you have your retract and extend button. And you have right here a little docking light switch. Switch this on and this will turn on a nice LED strip on the front cap here, but turn that off when you're not using it. Here you have the other side of this compartment that I showed you previously, and you've got your potable water intake right here. Simply just twist it off, put your hose in there, and you will begin to fill up your fresh water tank. And then you have your city water connection here, your antifreeze inlet here. They are labeled differently, so it is hard to mistake them, but if you do, just refer back to these. You have your cable and satellite inputs here. Fresh water drain is right here. Simply pull this valve out like it is now, and you will drain your fresh water tank. Here you have your hot water heater. Just pull this, flip this up, and you will get the water spray out, which shows that you have water in your tank. Here's your electric on-off switch right back in there. Flip this on to turn on the electric water heater, and then you have your LP tank or your LP water heater in here, and turn the electric element on with the LP, and you can recover your hot water faster and end up with endless hot water. If you come over here, you have your outside shower right here, tank flush valve, and then you have your power cord hookup right here. This does take a 30 amp plug, so do not put anything else but that in here. You have your sewer outlet right here, black tank valve right there, gray tank right there. Just simply slide these out and it will drain out the system. Here you have your power awning. Put this away at night, it'll be there in the morning. Do not tie it down, you will damage the system. And as we come inside here, you have your fridge here. Does not run on LP, only battery or plug-in power only. So it will not run going down the road unless you leave your batteries on, which I do not recommend. You have your microwave here. You have your GFI outlet right here in your bathroom. Make sure that this green light is on, or else the outlet will not work. To turn it on, if it is not already, simply press in the reset switch until you see that light come on. It'll click too. And then come over here, you have your stovetop, and you have a little button here, flip switch, to turn the oven light on the bottom, or if you press it in on the top, it'll turn these knobs on. In order to turn on your oven, you need to press this in and twist and hold, and as you are holding it, you will turn that igniter right there until you see the pilot light down there come on. And once that does, you can simply release that and turn it to the desired temperature. And you've got a fold-out table right here that is tucked neatly behind that couch normally. You have your thermostat right here. This is for your furnace when you want to use that. Here you have your solar controller here. You just can simply scroll through all the options using these buttons. And you have the single bed here, radio and TV setup, and that, you have your satellite connector right here as well, and you have a Wi-Fi range extender switch right here, I believe, as well. And as for that, I believe that is it for this unit. So thank you for buying from All Seasons RV. Hope you have a great summer.